The development of scientific agriculture, also known as modern agriculture, has been a significant trend globally since the 20th century, aimed at increasing agricultural productivity through the use of technology, scientific research, and modern farming practices. In Western countries, the Green Revolution of the mid-20th century was a significant milestone in the development of scientific agriculture, which involved the introduction of high-yield crops, hybrid seeds, and the use of chemical fertilizer, pesticide, and irrigation systems. In India, the Green Revolution began in the late 1960s and involved the introduction of high-yield varieties of crops like wheat and rice, along with the use of modern farming technologies like tractors, irrigation, and fertilizer. The Green Revolution helped transform India from a food-deficient nation to a food-surplus nation and significantly improved agricultural productivity and rural livelihoods. Since then, scientific agriculture has continued to evolve in India, with a focus on sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices. The government has introduced various schemes and initiatives, including the National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture and the National Innovations on Climate Resilient Agriculture, aimed at promoting modern farming practices while minimizing environmental impact. The use of precision farming, biotechnology, and integrated pest management has also increased in recent years. Furthermore, the government has launched various programs to support small farmers and improve their access to modern technologies and markets. However, despite these advancements, several challenges remain, such as soil degradation, water scarcity, climate change, and the impact of globalization on small farmers. Therefore, the development of scientific agriculture in India and globally needs to be balanced with sustainability and social justice.